Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Quarantine Cooking. Tonight's episode is kind of special. This is our 30th episode, and it's kind of hard to believe that we've gone that far already. And in some circles, that is considered a season, or actually more than a season long, for a whole year. And so we have gone quite a distance in a short amount of time. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of my friends and family who have come on board and watched these episodes and have shared with me how much they enjoyed them, and whether it be comments on Facebook or in person. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for just showing your love and support for each other, for me, for this program. And we're not done yet. We're going to keep moving forward, and I will continue to bring you more cooking episodes. So with that, let's move into what we're going to do tonight. So tonight's recipe is on the easier side again. This one's just called honey lemon chicken. This is going to use a whole chicken though. So a little bit different take this evening. And yeah, it's a new recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. So come on along.